guys, my name is Cam at the YouTube Fans, and today we're going to talk about the maintenance and troubleshooting on a short cordless stick vacuum cleaner. So, first of all, if you have bad performance, don't worry, it's just a little bit okay. But what I'm first going to look at in terms of troubleshooting. So, this is a little thing, yeah? If this one's got dirt in the bag, then you know you have the clog somewhere or a filter needs to be cleaned. So, all you have to do is disconnect here and check by turning on the handle light. If you have suction power,
are you all alone in here?
after that, just snap it back into place.
Oh, sorry.
Next, you could disconnect here. And then, check the nozzle here. And use this quarter to remove this part. And check inside here if there's a clog. After that, snap into place properly like this. Then use quarter to lock it in place like this. And now lock into the upright position. Now snap it back into the place and you're good to go. I'll see you in the next vacuum cleaning maintenance video.